So what we're going to do today is go through a series of exercises. I'm going to give you the exercises, and then I want you to perform those exercises 4 times, right? So whichever exercise you see, I want you to do the series, and then I want you to do the series again, and then I want you to do the series again, and do the series again for 4 times around. Perform those exercises 4 times, right? So whichever exercise you see, I want you to do the series, and then I want you to do the series again, and then I want you to do the series again, and do the series again for 4 times around. We're going to start down on the floor. We're going to start with our mountain climbers. Single knees in, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's part 1. Part 2 is push-ups. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then you'll start that exercise all over again. You'll do it 4 times. All right, then we're going to go to the next exercise. We're going to stand up. We're going to squat, lift knee, squat, lift knee, 3, lift knees, 4, knee, 5, knee, 6, knees, 7, lift, 8, lift, 9, lift, 10, lift. Then again, you're going to do this 4 different times. All right, exercise number 3, we're going to go back down to the floor. We're going to put those legs up. I'm going to turn to the side here. Elbows, you're going to alternate your knees. Up, back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stabilize that body, 9, and 10. You're going to come down, you're going to roll forward. I want you to pull those feet together, sitting up nice and tall. What I want you to do is contract to the shoulder blades, release, 2, release, 3, release, feel that contraction, 4, 5, release, 6, release, 7, release, 8, release, 9, release, 10, release. I'm going to come back up. Again, you're going to relax. You're going to give me that 4 times. We're going to take those legs. We're going to get a forward lunge. You've got 1, that chest nice and tall. Step back. 2, step back. 3, step back. 4, step back. 5, you got 6. You've got 7. You've got 8. You've got 9. You've got 10. All right, moving to that next exercise, we're going to open up that leg, center it. Open up that leg, center it. You've got 3. You've got 4. You've got 5. Chest is tall, 6. 7. You've got 8. You've got 9. You've got 10. All right, next exercise, take a look at the floor. You may have a line. You may be working on a mat. What I want you to do is just give me a lateral hop, side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, next exercise. All right, so remember, you got to breathe through all of this, keeping those shoulders out, working on that core, thinking about that strain. Okay, next exercise, arms are going to go out to the side. Spine stays nice and tall, relaxing through those shoulders. And I want you to twist side to side. Okay, twist side to side. Keep those knees together. Use the strength from those inner thighs as those arms go side to side. You've got 10 counts. Breathe. Start back with those knees up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give me some squats. 10, double down. 2, double down. 3, double down. 4, you've got 5, you've got 6, you've got 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. You're gonna breathe. Let's go back to the floor. Starting in that plank position, we're gonna alternate the knee to the elbow. Knee in, center it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just stay there. Drop one knee to the floor. Pick that leg up in the back, right? So from here, cross that leg over the body, back to center, cross, back to center, cross, back to center, cross, back to center. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're gonna go to the other side of the mat. I'm gonna turn my butt to you. Not a nice position, but I want you to see that leg is going across the body. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Center that leg, put it back down, sit back on those heels, and stretch forward. You're gonna curl that spine back up to the top. Okay, we're gonna just try a different exercise. Still staying down on those knees. That leg has gotta go forward. Right back up here. That leg is forward, second leg is staying to the back. That knee is down, turn that toe underneath. So I want you to lift that body up 1 to 2 inches off the floor, press down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, that body's strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, and I want you to just hold your squat in the middle for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, stay low. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now take the opposite leg, you're gonna step it back, you're gonna come back down into that hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now give me back that press. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold. Bring that leg back to center one more time. Squat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now we're gonna hold. Take those legs out to a straddle. I want all that weight to shift back into those heels. Sit it down, let the elbows come to the inside of those knees. Drop the hip, extend it all the way up on the back. Drop that hip, extend it all the way back. Drop the hip, extend it all the way back. Drop it all the way back. Drop it all the way back. You've got 4 more. Bring it up. You've got 3. Bring it up. You've got 2. Bring it up. Hold this one to the bottom. Extend out. Hold. Again, all that weight shifts back into that heel as you hold. 10, 9. Pull that chest up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Stand up nice and tall. From here, long through the glutes, long through those thighs. Squeeze the cheeks together. Release. Yeah, you may not be able to see that part, but it's okay. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. 4, release. 5, release. 6, release. 7, release. 8, release. 9, release. And I want you to hold that 10th one. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. With those heels, they're going to lift up off the floor. And I want you to hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. From here, you're going to be full squats to the bottom. 10. Stand up nice and tall, big breath in, up. Hold. Hold, that body is long. Turn to one direction, come back to center. Turn to the other direction, come back to center. Turn back to center. Squeeze those shoulder blades as you open up that body. Squeeze them. As you turn from side to side, I want you to squeeze that shoulder blade back side. Bring it to center. Squeeze it. Bring it to center. Arms are going to go forward. You're going to breathe. Turn those palms down. Open up the chest. Squeeze back to the middle. Open up that chest. Squeeze back to the middle. Squeeze. Stand tall. Engage that core. Breathe. Do it again. Breathe. Do it again. Breathe. Do it again. Breathe. Do it again. You've got 4 more. You've got 3 more. You've got 2 more. Hold that chest open. Hold. From here, I want you to give me a short press back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, hold, squeeze nice and tight, bring those legs to center, breathe, take those arms, lift them up, drop it, rotation to that shoulder, open it, drop it, 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 4, drop it, 3, drop it, 2, drop it, up, and bring it back down. Just hold, stand up tall, taller, long, turkey neck. Again, I want you to think about those masses, space, mass, space, mass, space. Just drop those heels to the floor, breathe it in for 4. Breathe out, breathe, breathe in, breathe. We're gonna sit back down to the floor. From here, those legs just about a hip width apart. We'll lift that chest up off the floor, take those fingertips and bring them up over the top of the knees. Press forward, 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 forward. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Cross at the ankle. 4, 3, 2. Again. 4, 3, 2. One more. Hold. 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 Take those fingertips and your bring to the front side of those knees. You're going to roll that vertebrae to a seated position, but the feet stay up off the floor. Spine stays nice and tall. Extend those arms out to front. You're going to give me a full extension. You got 10. The feet don't touch. Up. 9. Up. 8. Up. 7. Up. 6. Up. 5. Up. 4. Up. 3. Up. 2. Bring it all the way to the top. Chest sits up nice and tall. Breathe. Let those feet drop down. Breathe. Uncross those ankles. Bring those feet together. Take one hand, place it behind you. Lift up to that chest. Take the second hand, bring it on the outside of the knee, and twist. Open up that chest. Bring it back to the middle. Go to the other side. Open up that chest as you twist through that torso. Breathe. Come back to center. Sitting up nice and tall. Breathe. And relax and breathe out. Sit up tall again. Relax and breathe out. Sit up tall. Relax and breathe out. One more time, sitting up nice and tall. Breathe. Swing those legs behind you. You're going to come up onto all fours. That buttocks is going to sit back onto those heels. Those fingertips are going to extend all the way out in front. Let the buttocks stay down on the heel. Curl that spine all the way up to the top. Breathe. Take one leg, extend it to the front. Take both hands, place on top of the thigh. If you prefer to have one on the floor and one on the thigh, perfectly fine. Extend that leg to the back. Second leg steps up. The arm comes up to center. Second leg steps through the middle and curl that spine all the way up in 4, 3, 2. Breathe. One more time. Arms coming all the way up. Breathe in 4. Arms go forward. Breathe out in 3, 2. One last time. Open up. Big breath in. Arms come center. Blow it out. And you are done. I want to see it happen 4 times all the way through.